Hello and welcome to a Funko Pop Obsessed tutorial. This is, I'm not sure what part it is now, but I'm still working on the Connor Detroit Become Human figure. Yesterday I had talked about the circle that was supposed to be just above his eye, over beside his eyebrow, and what I was going to do with it. Well, I've totally changed my mind. What I was going to do. I ended up using tape. I'm going to show you what I did. Here we go. So as you can see, I did do the little round piece. What I did was I used a hole punch to cut out on my tape. So let me show you the chair here. So I have my hole punch, and I just cut a piece out with the tape. Oops. Let's see here. So it might have a bit of a problem getting it in, but anyways. And then, of course, it's in there and it's hard to get out, so I just used my tweezers to kind of poke it out. So that's the round piece, which I put on here. You can see. And then what I did was I actually used a flesh tone paint to color in the center. So I did. Try this one. So I just made a circle. Oops, well that's not a circle. Anyways. I did a little neater on him. Anyways, so I filled this in flesh. I went in and touched it up a little bit with a smaller brush. And so I think I have my circle that I want. And it matches the other pieces that I put on, because they're all the same tape. And for eyebrows, I haven't heard, I don't know whether the client wanted eyebrows or not, but what I did was, these I can take off. I'll just get rid of this little piece here. This is a process I do with felt. So what I do is, I think I only have black here right now, but anyways, I use the black. So what I do is I put a little bit of craft glue on. Where's my craft glue? So I have this little craft glue stick, and I just squeeze a little bit of glue on. And then what I do is I have a razor and some felt. Oops, you can see some brown felt there. It's still in the razor. And I just shave the felt, and you will get this little fuzzy stuff. And when you mat it together, you get, oh, that's a ball, but if you did more, you would get, let's see here, do it this way, you get long pieces. So basically I did his eyebrows that way, and I just put the, let's see if I can get enough here to show you. So let's see here. Just in between my fingers. And then when I put the glue on, I just put this on and kind of fiddle with it to get it the shape that I want. Sometimes I have to go back and add a bit in. Sometimes I need to take a bit off. So that's how I did the eyebrows. And what I'll do afterwards is, because I just use craft glue, they will peel off. So I'll peel them off, and then I will use a more permanent glue. The reason I do that is because if I don't like them the first time, then I can peel it off and do it again. So I think I'm pretty happy with these eyebrows, because guys' eyebrows are never the same, really. So they don't have to be perfect. So that's what I decided to do for eyebrows. It's just easier than painting. So, yeah. So his eyebrows are pretty much almost done. This little circle is done. I'm just gonna seal it when I seal the hair again. And like I said, I still have the Android to write on here, but that's, next time you see him, he should be all done and all together, and I can show you him completed. So we'll see you next time.